Hi guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share something which is very important in our day-to-day life, and let me start by sharing a small story with you all, and we are going to come to the moral of it very quickly. So first I want to start. I was literally talking to this lady yesterday. We will just call her Shruti. Her name is different, but let's just not put that out on the internet. So her name was Shruti, and she was in a relationship with this man for 8 years. For 8 years she was in relationship, and she wanted to get married to this person, but this person kept blowing her off. He cheated on her several times. She forgave it, and she told him that her mom wanted her to get married before she dies. So she told him, still did not give attention, and her mother expired before seeing her daughter's wedding. And even after that, told him to get married. He did not. So finally, she ended up things because she realized that he always took advantage of her. And that's the first thing we need to learn. If you're available for too long, like 8 years, it's legit long period. It's not easy. So if you're there with a person for 8 years, clearly he's taking you for granted. And the minute she stepped back of the relationship, he brought her gifts and rings like, let's get married. But she did not got married because she was already broke. So understand this thing, that people will take you for granted. So it's your job to make yourself happy. Don't be there for such person who is not appreciating your presence. Let's move further of the story. So she met this another guy. They both wanted to marry, but due to caste differences they couldn't, and she took break from her job because it was her wedding period, and she thought that they are going to marry, but the man's family did not agreed, and so the wedding was called off, and now that man is marrying another woman. And this girl, she's jobless, she stays alone, and she's entirely broke, and she's crying day and night seeing that person getting married. So what we learn from this is, first of all, I did not understand why she left her job before even talking to the side family. I think the man's family did not agree. I don't know what's wrong there, but she shouldn't have left her job, and now she's jobless. So I'm telling you guys, money is literally power. So please do not leave your jobs for such kind of men, I think. And no matter who comes in your life, if that person is saying, oh, just do not earn, I am there, we are going to marry on future basis, future prospect, then let it go, because those humans are just going to betray you anyhow. So let it go and do your job, because money is power and we all need power. Okay, that's the two things we learned. Now the third thing. So it's really my story. I wanted to open a store, an offline store, back before few months, and I talked to my parents. I talked to dad, I talked to mom, and I really wanted to open a clothing business, offline business, and they did not allowed me. They had the capital, they had everything set up, but they were like, Sneha, you need to study now, you cannot just start any business right now, you're too small. And at that moment I accepted the fact. And day before yesterday, I was talking to one of my friend, and she was always there with me. She knew that I wanted to start an offline business, so she asked me, Sneha, like, do you want to start offline business? Is that your plan? And you know what I said to her? I took her name and said offline business is literally a loss in today's world because everything is online. And her reply, she literally replied, so your mom saved you from this loss. And I was shook. I did not thought it through, but yes, my parents did save me from the biggest loss, because offline business in my opinion is a loss because everybody buys online. Even I do not go to stores to buy things. I buy everything online, and starting an offline business, it costs so much. Your light bill, your place, your location, and if you have one thing wrong, like if your location is wrong, then khalas, everything is gone. So yes, my parents did save me from biggest loss I could ever bear. And that's the third moral that we are learning today is listen to your family, listen to your parents, because they always think it through, they think right, and they know how you are, and they know how you're going to handle that situation. So let them decide and accept the fact. If they are not allowing you to do something, then accept it, because they always think right for you. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you understood something out of it. I love you guys so much. Stay connected with me. I will probably see you guys in my next video. Till that time, bye.